Virtual greetings everyone. Today we are going to start a new topic, three identities based on algebraic expression related from the chapter an algebraic expression. So let's start from first identity, that is a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b whole square means a plus b is known as the base and 2 is known as the exponent. And we can expand a plus b whole square is equals to a plus b multiply a plus b. We will multiply a plus b with a plus b by using distributive law. According to this law, firstly we will consider a and we will take product of a with the two terms a plus b. It will be equals to a square plus ab. Now we will multiply b with the same terms a plus b. It will be equals to ab plus b square. ab and ab are like terms, so we can write a square plus 2ab plus b square. So according to our first identity, a plus b whole square is always equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now coming on the next identity, a minus b whole square. It will be always equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Same as like the a plus b whole square. Now a minus b whole square. Base is a minus b and exponent is 2. And we can expand a minus b whole square is equals to a minus b multiply a minus b. Firstly, we will multiply a minus b with a and result will be equals to a square minus ab. Now we will multiply a minus b with the second term minus b. It will be equals to minus ab minus minus plus b square, and the result will be equals to a square minus 2ab plus b whole square. So we can write a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Let's take some examples which is based on identities a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square. Our first example is 2x plus 3 whole square. 2x plus 3 whole square. We will compare with a plus b whole square. अगर हम इसको किसके साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, a प्लस बी होल स्क्वायर के साथ कंपेयर करते हैं, देन वैल्यू ऑफ a इज 2x and value of b is 3, and a plus b whole square always will be equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now taking right hand side, value of the a is 2x, so we can write 2x square plus value of b is 3, so we can write 3 square plus 2 multiply 2x multiply 3. 2x square means 2x multiply 2x. 2 2s are 4x square. 3 square means 9. 2 multiply 2x multiply 3 means 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12x. So 2x plus 3 will be equals to 4x square plus 9 plus 12x. Now second example is 2x minus 3 whole square. The sign between 2x and 3 is minus, so we can compare it with a minus b whole square. आपको पता है 2x and 3 के बीच में क्या साइन है, माइनस का with the square. So we can compare 2x minus 3 whole square with a minus b whole square. Again value of a is 2x and value of b is 3, and a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Value of a is 2x, 2x whole square, value of b is 3, 3 square minus 2 multiply 2x multiply 3. It will be equals to 4x square plus 9 minus 12x. And the last identity is a square minus b square is always equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. Suppose we have a minus b multiply a plus b. Firstly, we will multiply a with both terms a plus b. It will be equals to a square plus ab. Now, we will multiply minus b with a plus b. It will be equals to minus ab plus minus b square plus ab minus ab cancel. So a square minus b square. So our required result is a minus b multiply a plus b always will be equals to a square minus b square. Let's take one example. 21 square minus 20 square. 21 square minus 20 square. There are two numbers with their power 2. 21 square minus 20 square. So we can compare it with a square minus b square. Value of a is 21 and value of b is 20. It will be equals to a plus b a minus b. एक बार तो हम इन दोनों नंबर्स का क्या ले लेंगे, सम ले लेंगे, और एक बार इन दोनों का क्या ले लेंगे, डिफरेंस ले लेंगे. आफ्टर दैट वी विल टेक प्रोडक्ट. 41 multiply 1, it will be equals to 41. I hope students you have understood these three identities With the help of these three identities, you can easily solve the question based on algebraic expression.